Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about how fast can a spray foam commercial roof be completed. Certainly with any task that you have to get done, speed is everything. If I have an oil change in my car, I want it done today. I don't want it done 2 months from now. And it goes for many other things, but same thing goes with your commercial roof. If it's leaking, you want it done now. So a spray foam roof can be done about 50% faster than other roofing systems. And that's because they're good with penetrations. So penetration in your roof is a skylight, exhaust, curb, etc. Other roofing systems, they need to custom cut and fit around those penetrations. Spray foam roof, we just take the gun and just shoot around it and it gets done real quick. I think there's, in the blog post, there's a link to a video. It shows us spraying around a box. And there's other videos that show us spraying around penetrations that can show you how that's done. And the next thing is, when we're doing spray foam, it's a complete roofing system. Other roofing systems, they'll have to, they'll roll out their single ply, but they'll have to mechanically fasten the seams together, or they'll have to put adhesion down, or adhese the seams together. Somehow, some way, there's more stuff that needs to be done, more perimeter work. When we spray foam, that's a system and that's it. So that's why I can get done 50% faster. And on a perfect day in perfect conditions, we can spray 8 to 10,000 square feet of spray foam in one day. Now, perfect conditions mean that the temperature is 50 degrees and rising. It's dry, like no rain. You can't spray foam in rain. And it's dry for multiple days. If it's dry for one day and it rains at night, we gotta come in the next day and make sure it's dry again before we spray foam. Slight influence the speed a bunch. And then wind. We use wind screens and spray boots, but those are using up guys that could be spraying foam or doing something else. So those slow down speeds as well, but 8 to 10,000 on a perfect day, and that's a lot of roof that can get done. And then the ultimate question, how long do you have to wait before we come out and do your roof? It really depends on the time of year and how big a backload a contractor has. So if you call us in the spring, you can choose which week we'll come out because our backlog isn't done yet or isn't filled up yet. But if you call us in the middle of summer, when most roofing contractors have 2 to 3 months of a backlog, you might wait 2 to 3 months before someone can come out. And that's not just West Roofing, that's every roofing contractor out there. And then we'll get a fall rush too. Some people will have budget money set aside for a roof. Fall's coming, like, we need to get our roof done real quick. Well, it's gonna be hard to fit you in because of time constraints and the 50 degrees, and it's just how it is. So it really depends on the time of year, how fast we can come out. But now it's COVID-19, maybe we can come out a little sooner because their backlog's not as filled, but in normal years, the sooner the better. So just keep that in mind before you give anybody a call. So that's the bulk of it, and hope you learned something new today. If you want to learn more about this, there's more information in the blog post. Just click the URL there. It'll take you there, and thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.